Below the central surfaces of the floor body, the plank assembly must be fitted, consisting of the plank, the skid, and the mountings. It is a flat rectangular plate positioned in the lower central part of the car, required by the regulation to impose a minimum distance from the ground, initially to limit the use of the ground effect, today allowed, provide protection to the driver and improve the handling of the car. According to the FIA rules for Formula 1, the skate must be mounted under the car's center plane and must meet several requirements. The following provisions apply to the plank assembly. The upper surface of the plank assembly must lie at Z equals 0, so that no air can pass between it and the floor body or bib lower surfaces. The plank assembly must be symmetric. The thickness of the plank assembly measured normal to the lower surface must be 10 mm plus or minus 0.2 mm and must be uniform when new. The material of the plank is free, but it must be homogeneous. The plank may comprise no more than 3 pieces. The following provisions apply to the skids. The lower surface of the plank may be fitted with flush-mounted metal skids which may only be fitted in place of plank material, must be made from titanium alloy. Furthermore, they may only be machined from solid and no processes, such as forging, rolling, welding, heat treatment or coating, may be carried out either before or after machining. To make the plate, among the first materials to be used was the lightweight, durable and non-flammable fiberglass called permaglass. Later a material called jabrock was used. Jabrock is made of beechwood and built in a composite process, with layered veneers and glued with a high-strength resin in each layer. At the end of a race the stewards can check the level of wear of the board. If a reduction is detected over the allowed limit of 1 mm, the car is disqualified.